Hey guys, welcome back to Review Radar. In this video I will show you how to create multiple Facebook accounts. So keep in mind, for this to work you need to already be logged in into one of your Facebook accounts. If you haven't signed up yet, this will not work the way it's supposed to. Alright, and from the home page over here, just click on this account button right here on the top right, and then just click on See All Profiles. Now just click on create a new profile or page. As you can see, I have one available as well, the additional one. So just click on create new profile page, and now just choose a personal or public page, for example personal, then next, and then just get started. And now from here you can just start filling in all the information that you want: your name, username, profile appearance, picture, all of the stuff that you usually choose when creating your initial first Facebook account. Hopefully this helps, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this helped, leave a comment, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.